Old Man River. It's the return of the Ancient One.
Fuck you.
That's how the day's gonna start. We have more illumination for the tricycle. So Custom Dynamics, so y'all know we love here because they give us really cool stuff sometimes on well, it's always cool, you know what I mean. And they sent some more stuff for Dad's trike, and I got a mess here that I did not organize. So they sent some cool stuff for Dad's trike, and what they are the fender lights that go to the lower lips. Yeah, the lower lips of his trike that are going to be run, stop, turn lights, and they plug in. It looks really easy. Another thing they sent that I really like, because they've seen these videos, they see what my garage looks like. Check this out. They sent me a sign, a metal sign for the wall. That was just in the package. How cool is that? That's going up. Gotta find a place. Anyway, so you're gonna turn around.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm gonna make fun of him when he turns around. Watch this. Watch. Watch. All right, I'll be back in a second when he's done with all of his turning. Yeah, back that thing up. Look at that big old booty. Woo! Show me what you're working with. And farther than that. Bring it inside the garage. Bring it inside the garage. There's a space right here.
I'm saying it. I couldn't hear you.
Yeah. You need like these like directional things, like, you know, orange lights. Waiting for the reverse to engage, I'm sure. Takes forever. That's good. Go further. There we go. That's good enough. Don't hit the child's bicycle.
Yeah.
That's a big old booty. All right. These lights look pretty easy. Essentially, I looked at the directions earlier. Essentially, we're just going to take the tail light out, where those 3M to the bottom, and then you just pat the wire up in through the hole, and it plugs into the housing for the tail light. So let's see if I can screw that up. Did you just belch on the film? On the film?
You want to hear it again?
No.
Okay.
It's not like a nice company gave you those lights or anything. You should belch on the videos when we put them on.
I love them. I love them. What can I say?
Well, we got one side done already, and Jesus, it's they work. So it's as thought. It's completely idiot proof. On the scale of can two morons with a screwdriver do it, it's a 1 out of 10. There's none to it. So you literally just take these two screws out. I still have to do the other side, so I might show a little more. These two screws out. There is a hole through the backing plate from the factory already, so you're not drilling or nothing. This guy sticks on with 3M tape, and it's on there. You just center it, and the wire comes out here. You just, on the inside of the fender, you bring it up, you poke it through the back side of there, and there's already an empty socket inside there. You just stick it in. You use these guys, which are brilliant. They included plenty of these and some zip ties. So you stick these to the inside of the fender, and then you zip tie through there onto the wire, so your wire is secured. You could leave it, I mean, you could leave it hanging. It's not even anywhere near the tire, but we don't work like that. So it's installed, and you want to kick on the ignition now? So there's your run lights. Hit the brakes. Oh, good Lord. All right, and then left turn signal. So you can see, I really like these. Worst off, they look cool. You know, no secret they gave me these lights, but Custom Dynamic lights are like, the LEDs are really good. I mean, I don't know, they're just really nicely made stuff. And then I think there's an element of safety here. Like if you look like a fire truck when you come to a stop, no one's gonna hit you. So we might add the light that goes on the luggage rack here, and then you're done for lights.
If I would back down the road, they'd just all get out of my way. Turn on the flashers.
Everyone's gonna go, good Lord, the police are here. So we'll do the other side real quick. I don't know if we'll walk you through that much, because I'm telling you, again, 2 screws, 3M tape, pat the wire up through the hole, plug her in, secure the wires, taillight back on, done.
Do not forget to use the alcohol wipes to clean things real good.
Oh yeah, it's you're wasting your time if you don't get up in there and clean this sucker out.
And they give me that also.
And they give you that too. So you got 2 of these, and you can see how much funk. Yeah. And this bike's got 6,000-ish miles.
5,000.
Yeah, whatever. So between 5,000 and 6,000 miles. See how this goes? And there's the funk inside the fender. So we cleaned that out good so that those sticky pads will stay. So I think it's cool. Let's button up the other side. Say bye.
Bye.
It's a lot of sun. I'm not pretty with that much sunlight in my face. You, on the other hand, are just a vision of loveliness.
Who in the hell ever told you were pretty in the first place?
This is how I grew up. See why I have problems? Your parents tell you you're ugly all the time, you're gonna have issues. I
didn't say ugly. I just said not pretty.
No one likes you. I was going to show the plugs. So I'm not going to show you how to stick sticky tape onto something. If you need me to show you that.
Don't start.
If you don't start the project, if you can't put sticky tape, this is not for you. If you get,
No.
So
take it somewhere and have it done.
So this is the hole that the plug comes through. So this one here is where the taillight's going to unplug. Looks like that. So you unplug that, and then you're going to spill your coffee. And then you're going to path the wire up from the inside through a hole right here. Little plug comes out, goes blank right there. This one sits empty from the factory. Just an accessory plug, I believe. And then that's how the whole thing works. I mean, like this is truly idiot proof. So far.
This job's not done yet.
All right, I figured he was going to say something brilliant. Oh, look, I can get us both in the same shot. I didn't realize that. Look at how good looking he is. Look at that. Did you just flip off the camera? Custom Dynamics, I'm very sorry. This will be the last trike video we do. I don't think they'll be sending you any more trike stuff anytime soon.
I'm really sad about that. I may cry.
Are you illuminated?
We can see. Let's try this.
What? Hazard lights? Oh, you're lit up now. Yeah, you need to run the hazards anyway for all the I've heard this before from a couple of places. If you run the hazards for a bit, it times them. Yeah, so they're in time now. So, you happy?
Yeah, sure. Uh-oh.
Why are we starting it?
That's not what I was going to do. Okay. Now we're going to do...
What, left, right? 2, 2, 2. All right, left turn signal. Golden. Right turn signal. Golden. All right.
Brake.
Brake. Brake, yeah. Runs are on, we already know that. That's a project completed right there.
Another job well done.
Well done anyway. Another job well done.
They're all well done as long as I don't have to do them.
So I talked to you earlier. You said you were going to do something.
I want to apologize to Custom Dynamics if I in any way offended anybody during this video. This is a disclaimer.
And then you said you were going to give your reasons.
Because I'm an asshole.
He'd also now like to apologize for saying the word asshole. In the video. But
see, I've done it.
No, I told you. He's an Agent Orange poison PTSD veteran.
I've got it all.
He's got all of it. So he gets a pass, right? At least that's what he's been telling me for the last 15 years. I can do it. I can say, everyone, Say whatever I want. Agent Orange.
Agent Orange.
So, that's it for today. Take care of each other out there. Anything else you'd like to say? That's appropriate?
I guess we don't want to talk about dumpster diving.
Oh, he's got a story. That's a good story. Okay, go ahead. All right, we got to turn you around so we can see your face. Your lovely face.
Years ago, I was in the automobile business, and during the course of the day, we'd have a lot of downtime, no customers, so we could sit up on the showroom floor at the dealership that I worked at, and next door was a gas station with a payphone. This is how long ago this was. It was actual payphone. We could see. We would wait for somebody to stand near the, you know, be in the vicinity of the payphone, and we'd dial that number. And when they'd answer the phone, all we would say is, "The money's in the dumpster." And then we'd hang up. And then we'd sit back and watch them dumpster dive. It was a lot of fun.
That was back. I remember that back when the payphone would have the number on the little piece of paper, and the payphone. So you just call the number.
Yeah.
So people would actually jump into that dumpster looking for money that wasn't
They
there.
would wait for the gas station attendants not to watch them, and then they'd sneak around back and jump in the dumpster. We'd be rolling on the showroom floor laughing at this shit.
You also said you used to tell the new guys that the coffee maker.
Oh, yeah. The coffee maker was in the lunchroom. The other side of that wall was the men's bathroom. Well, the people installed the coffee maker tied into the supply line on the toilet to fill up the coffee maker.
Clean water.
Clean water. And we had this guy come in. We had him convinced that he had to go in and flush the toilet so we could fill up the coffee.
And the guy believed it.
He believed it.
Oh God! So he's got a lot of those. We'll add those to videos from time to time. Doing how many years in the car business?
37, I guess.
So you got home from when did you get out of the Marine Corps? What year?
Early 1970.
Okay, and then you were in construction.
Yeah, I built prefab homes.
And then you did insurance for a bit.
For a year. That was crazy.
So you went in the car business around 72, 3?
I actually went in the car business around 75.
And I was born in 76. Yeah, 76. All right, so there's a lot of those.
So I had relatively one good year.
You see the problems I have and why? So he's got a lot of good like car business in the 70s stories that don't do any now because we'll add them to every video we do together.
I was just going to say, in the wintertime, if the snow was on the ground, we get a truck out of the truck department and a chain and hook it up through a hood and go skiing through the line.
So this was like, the car business is not like that anymore.
No, the car business isn't fun at all.
but the 1970s, 80s that he started in, he's got so many stories of crazy stuff that not just car salesmen, the general manager would get in on this stuff.
Yeah, they were all kind of weird.
So we'll add those to videos. But take care of each other out there. Have fun, and we'll talk soon. Say bye.
Goodbye.
That was the most boring goodbye. I thought you were going to say something. Goodbye. And I am William Holden. Don't say anything bad.
No.
Okay, all right.
No.
See ya.